Alright, boys. Alright, boys, welcome to Pokemon Pokemon Sapphire. You probably read by the title. Guess what? Nuzlocke. This time, I'm not gonna just play through the game normally. I'm gonna add my own rules. And plus, you also probably read the Bird Keeper. Probably like something. Well, here you go. I'm only allowed to catch flying and dragon type Pokemon. All Pokemon that do flying or dragon type. So, I don't know, but I think I'm gonna have a separate pure on the side, and I need to find a couple of things. Okay. Press start here. Which one start again? Start is enter. Close. Let's play a new game. I'm gonna be reading everything. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Urge. Let's get right here. Everyone calls me the Pokemon Professor. This is what we call a Pokemon. Zero. That's not really a Pokemon, just something like a Porygon. That seems like a Pokemon. Yeah, you can get Pokemon. You can get Porygon. Or I want to get it since we're on a flying time. We humans live alongside Pokemon. At times as friendly playmates and at times as cooperative workmates. And sometimes we band together and battle others like us. But despite our closeness, we don't know everything about them. In fact, there are many secrets around Pokemon, surrounding Pokemon, around Pokemon. To unravel Pokemon mysteries, I've been undertaking research. That's what I do. And you are? Okay, boys, can I just tell you something? Firstly, when I get my starter, when I catch my first, if I catch it, I can only get, so Nuzlocke rules, guys, quickly Nuzlocke rules, I can only get the Pokemon per area, which means one flying or dragon type Pokemon per area. And there's also Duke's Claws, to do that. So if I know there's a flying type or dragon type Pokemon, I'm able to do Duke's Claws if I keep on fighting non-rare flying type or dragon types. But there's pretty much no rare dragon type Pokemon. I'm also allowed to use Pokemon from the Marvel game called as well. If Pokemon faints, they're dead. And also another thing, because none started evolving into a flying type, means to catch my first flying type or dragon type Pokemon evolves into it. You know what I mean? I have to release that stuff. Okay, guys, let's start. Let's go with the good old grill. Let's go. So B R, where's R? BRD. name is Birdcage. Okay. Well, Birdcage was moving to my hometown of Richmond. I get it now. You didn't get it already. Oh, and also if you see the frames, I just got there just in case it goes. Mario and Wingull better. Take courage and leap into the world of Pokemon. Dreams, adventures, and friendships await. I'll be expecting you later. Come see me in my Pokemon land. I always felt weird because that thing there glitches. If you look at the box at the top, it seems that it's fused in with another box. You see this one here? That one there? That I'm looking at? Yeah, that one. I thought it was the other house. What? Wait, is my thing flipped? It seems like it's flipped. Is the game flipped? Well, the text isn't flipped. Birdcage, your room is upstairs. Go check it out, dear. I bought a new club to mark a move here. Forget to set it. You're looking strong, Machoke. I don't think you can even get Machoke in this game. Although it wouldn't matter because I'm allowed to get Birdcage Pokemon. Oh, Dragon type Pokemon. You know what? There's a clock there. The clock stopped. Better set it and start it. Time. Can't see, so 4:07. That's the time I last saw. No, that's 3. What am I doing? 4. Okay, do you like your new room? Good, everything is put away neatly. Let's finish moving everything downstairs too. Pokemon movers are so convenient. Oh, you should make sure that everything's all there on your desk. I want to watch TV. I can't believe you can't actually go behind your TV anymore. Like you could in the old game. Sucks. Oh, Birdcage! Quick! Come quickly! Mom, look, it's about Jim. Maybe Dad will be on. Interviewer, we brought you this report from front of Bird Gym. It's over. I think Dad was on. We missed it. Too bad. I'll be seeing you later anyway. Probably won't when we get to it. Professor Birch is his name. He lives right next door, so you should go over and introduce yourself. Introduce. Oh, you're Birdcage, our new next door neighbor. Hi! We have a son at the same age as you. Our son was excited about making a new friend. Our son is upstairs, I think. Let's go up there anyway. Although we don't really know these people, let's go up there and meet this random stranger. Nah. I'll just... You stay there, I'll stay here, okay? Actually, stay there, friendly. Hey, you! Who are you? Oh, you're Birdcage, aren't you? I moved in next door, right? I didn't know you were a girl. Oh my god. I'm not gonna kill myself. It's just this. Most people will watch it if you're playing the game. So, probably no one will watch it because I'm the worst YouTuber in existence. We're done, I forgot. I'm supposed to go help my dad catch some wild Pokemon. So I'm talking about game.
I can hear someone shouting down the road from you. What should I do? What should I do? Somebody has to go help.
And it's me!
Help!
Help me! I forgot his voice now. Already forgotten his voice. Really, Poochiana? Hello, you over there, please help! In my bag is a Pokeball! No, it's actually 3 Pokeballs. Find the Pokeballs spilled on the ground. It doesn't really matter what starter we choose anyway, because we'll end up losing just once we get Pokeballs. Unless you guys will allow me to have Torchic, because it is kind of a bird, although it becomes fighting. So, comment in the bottom if you want me to release Torchic or keep him through the whole thing. Where he's not a flying type or a dragon type. I'm gonna choose Torchic, and you guys comment down below if I can keep it. So, once I catch my first Pokemon, I'm just leaving the PC. I'm bringing out if majority says yes. Level 2 Poochiana. You can just stop it. You can just stomp it with your foot and you win. That's stop. Prove it and A at the same time. That's just stuff. When I'm playing up for Sapphire, I start playing Emerald and I can't beat the second gym. I suck at this, and it's gonna be almost impossible. Wait. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, no. Saying is going to be incredibly hard. The first gym is going to be incredibly hard. Bully's going to be okay, but it might also be hard too. I'll pretty much only have normal flame type Pokemon. Although I can also get a Bagon, level 40 Bagon at the end of the game. I can also get a Dratini from the Marvel Game Corner. You have to search up how to get the coin case for that. Oh yes, and thank you for rescuing me. I'll let you out the Pokemon you used earlier. Bird K received the Torchic, but might not keep it. While you're at it, why don't you give a nickname to the Torchic? There's another rule for Nuzlocke, you always have to name the Pokemon. So, May die. Just name it May die. I bet I'm gonna get so many deaths. Even while training. While with Nuzlocke. If a Pokemon dies off screen, that doesn't count. Nuzlocke's are only while it's recording. It's already been 14 minutes. Brendan. Oh yeah. Brendan is... I'm used to seeing May, not Brendan. Great, Brendan should be happy too. Get Brendan to teach you what it means to be a team. Nah, I'm gonna go home, go bed. I'll go home, go bed now. Go home, go bed. That's what I say. That's not my house. Wrong house. This one's my house, right? I'm gonna have to train up for if Torchik dies, I have to start the run all over again. Wingull can't catch it. Nuzlocke hasn't started yet. If you allow me to keep this Torchik, I might actually be able to blast through or something. If I get double kick, evolve it. You guys allow me to keep Torchik, I might be able to beat what I'm saying with double kick as it evolves in combustion. Oh yeah, I didn't want it go. I was like, no! So I'm at the end of the league 4 on my Sapphire Nuzlocke. Starting the game again. Third time already. Because I always choose Trick. I'm like, Trick, bad. I tried Torchik, bad. My Torchik never fainted. Double kick would just destroy Team Aqua. Hello, welcome to the present. I'm not gonna read this every single time. If you haven't realized yet, recording this video, because I have no capture card and I don't want you paying $3,000 to get a capture card. So I already have these games or better versions. See if we can get the Brendan without encountering. Hi Brendan. Okay, just this one and that one that live on roof and are free. No, there's actually multiple Pokemon that live on roof. Hey, it's birthday. Oh yeah, they gave you a Pokemon. Since we're here, how about a little battle? I'll teach you what being a trainer is about. Beating the crap out of people is what's bad. Okay. So guys, best idea to get someone to be watching your videos is by talking to them without lying. So here's a funny story. So I was at Bodybuilding, my crazy game videos. From how is he suddenly fighting me? Got him anyway. That's when he gave me a lot of XP. So, my dog Peanut. I don't have puppy yet. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I got a new dog during the school days. I haven't been able to talk to you about him. I don't even have any photos. But right? And we're getting at that little 17. Peanut was incredibly excited. She was still connected to the car. She jumped out and ended up hanging. It was just hilarious. She was whining and I was just laughing. It was hilarious. She's just hanging there. Good thing she had one of those collar things that when you put stress on it, padding goes into the neck, so it doesn't actually hurt the dog, which I've actually tried it myself because my next humongous, it's really stretchy, and also guess what? I've tried it on and I didn't get choked. So it's 100% the same goals. I don't even know where my mum got it from. So she went for a puppy. Since we had his first walk outside the house last Saturday. And this video was uploaded, and halfway through he went berserk. He didn't know what the heck was happening anymore because he saw the rope dangling. He was like,
Is that connected to me?
and he went berserk. And I mean berserk. So we ended up walking all the way home with me holding him in his hands. You would have known how that felt. Cutting off my blood circulation. Also sticking his paws into my arm as well. Got the Pokédex. The Pokédex is a high-tech tool that automatically makes a record of any Pokemon you need to catch. If you're a Pokemon fan, or you watch the anime, or you've even played one Pokemon game, you'll know this. By now, in this time, everyone's a Pokemon fan. Pokemon just took the world by storm. Whenever my kid catches a rare Pokemon and records its data into the Pokédex, my friend looks for me while I'm out doing the field work. It shows me. Huh? So you're gonna Pokédex too? Oh then, yeah, I'll give you this. Obtain the Pokeball. Now it's more fun to have a whole bunch of Pokemon. I'm gonna explore all over the place. Find different Pokemon. I'll find it in Pokemon. You bet I'll try to get the Pokeballs. I have to catch a one. Wait, Birdcage! I don't even know if that stops the flying top, and I can't search because I've got full screen. If I go out of full screen, I end up stopping the recording, which sucks. As you may know. Birdcage, did you introduce yourself to Professor Birch? Oh, what a adorable Pokemon. You got it from Professor Birch? How nice. I didn't get it from Professor Birch. Professor Birch told me, hey, I'm in danger. Grab one of my balls. And then this time, instead of our boy having 2 balls, it's 3. Just like Markiplier. So you're your father's child. Alright. You're your father's child. You are your father's child. Why do you have to put that there? Then it says like, yo. You are your father's child. Alright. You look good skin. Hey honey, if you want to go out on an adventure, wear these running shoes. Put his zip. It's like, shit. Okay. Those shoes came with instructions. Use B button. Press the B button while wearing these running shoes to run extra fast. Guess what? My keyboard. What buttons B? You should have seen it before I started the episode if you didn't see. It's B. To think that you have your very own Pokemon now. Your father will be overjoyed. But please be careful. Anything happens, then come home. Go on. Go get them, honey. Go then. I just ran straight into a ledge. Let's see. Nah, we can kill it. Since that there, it's not a fun time. I like my name. His name may die. May die. I'm gonna focus energy. Let's focus energy. May die is getting fucked. Its critical hit ratio is higher. Which is good. Its attack. Crit. So not how focus energy does. Or is it? Yeah, it critically increases critical hit ratio. For a couple turns. Now let's see what our first Pokemon is then. Okay! We're able to catch one. Since I think one of its evolutions. I kill it, I can't get a Pokemon with this area. Now I actually want a Wingull. Let me tell you why. Bird can use Pokemon. You see, if I lose this Pokemon, I can't catch another one in this area. Anyway, I really want a Wingull. If I get myself a Wingull, Wingull is incredibly good when it holds into Pokemon. I'm gonna have to do a couple weapons. Shield and Sassy Nature level 2. Okay, no ribbons. Oh my god, this is bad. Next level 19 speed tackle trick shot. Switch it with Torchic. I'm gonna get a couple Pokemon first and soon end this episode. I'm also gonna get Wingull. Sounds like you can get Whirlpool and please allow me to use Torchic, I beg of you. Because I don't want to be stuck with the Whirlpool my whole life. Critical hit. All 6 is very fatal. May die in 17 each minutes. I have to kill this Whirlpool. For then again, Wingull is the worst Pokemon in the world. Go May die. May die. It's fine. Well, now it's faster than me, now just spamming with screenshots. Oh, and Wingull is water type, right? Which also will be good. Because it learns water gun incredibly quickly. So if I get high enough. Now let's run. Thank you for waiting. You've restored Pokemon to full health. Okay. So, I really hate Wingull. Though May loves Wingull, so I might as well just have a key fight till the end. I can't use this Zigzagoon. Not playing time. Yeah, I'm definitely getting Swablu. Because Altaria would be a good addition to my team. Or I will have a gigantic weakness against them. But if you allow me to keep May die, I'll have a resistance type. Well, plus, the red type can't affect me. And then I'll buy a flying type that's not legendary. Well, they do have Talonflame, but that's on Gen 3. You must see that's over now. I just want to find the Wingull, get this over and done with. Please allow me to take my Torchic, that's named Maydai. Not Poochie. Can't get it. Can't catch a Pooch. Oh, Maydai is getting strong. Maydai ain't gonna die. Well, we didn't be keeping up. Let me give one the XP share. I'm not gonna really focus on him. I don't know if it's a boy or girl. Really? Why can't I find a goddamn Wingull? I'm gonna start running now. Because I don't want to be too worried about that. Wingull, please. Please. Oh, goddammit. Zigzagoon. I have to catch a flying type in the area. Well, so I can skip an area. Wingull knows Zigzagoon, because I've got 4 Zigzagoon right here. So you can rate them. So I know you can get these. This episode is really long. It's this guide that if Wingull does not show up, it's like 99% counter rate for Zigzagoon. It's stupid. I can't actually get big on it until I get waterfall. Please, Pooch. Please, just give me a god. Just give me something that's not Zigzagoon or Poochiana. Wingull, please, Wingull. I'll need Wingull. Just please give me a Wingull. I feel like a shiny hunter right now. Wingulls aren't that hard to find. Wingulls aren't this hard to find. Just give me a
I've spent 5 minutes looking for a goddamn Wingull.
Finally!
Finally. Thank you. Thank God. Thank God.
Yes, what?
I don't have any healing potions. Please, please, everyone press the B button.
Yes! Yes! I did it! I did it! I did barely escape!
Wingull, the seagull Pokemon. The stupidest Pokemon in the world. Oh my god. Yes! Fine. No. Finally. Thank you all for watching. I don't know even why you watch this crap. Thank you all for watching. I am so happy. And please don't, saying I've only been playing for 31 minutes. Okay, whatever. Thank you all for watching. I am so happy. Watching my crap. So that I should not go away from YouTube. Thank you.